there's a lot of misconceptions out there about motor oil in your vehicle. Uh, One of the biggest things is the mileage. Some people, even manufacturers, will suggest that you can go to these extended 10,000 mile drain intervals. I want to bust that myth by just quickly saying, do not do that. Uh, their only intention in mind is getting you through your warranty, which is typically 36,000 miles, or if you get an extended warranty, maybe a little longer, 70, 80,000. And doing 10,000 mile oil change intervals will get you there. It'll probably break shortly after, and you'll have oil consumption from piston rings wearing out the cylinder wall. So please like and subscribe my videos, and let's get into it. Now, the first thing I want to show you is what tools you're going to need. You're going to need some ramps to drive the car up on. You're going to need however many quarts of motor oil. So we're working on a 2015 Chevy Traverse today. It takes 5.5 quarts of 5W30. So we got 6. We'll only use half of that small bottle there. We have an oil filter. I like Purilators. No, they're not OEM filters, but they work great. We have a funnel to pour the oil, rag, some gloves. You don't want to get oil over here, it's really nasty. And that is an oil filter wrench. We don't need that. And you need some tools. So 15mm socket, an extension, and a 3/8 ratchet. I will go into some of this motor oil. So lots of people out there do not like SuperTech motor oil. It's a Walmart cheap brand. It doesn't matter. I will say the thing that does matter is when you change your oil. That is more important than what type of oil you use. Make sure you use full synthetic. That's the only thing I'll say. But change your oil every 5,000. Do not do this 10,000 mile drain interval. Hey friend, we'll get back to the episode in just a minute. Real quick, if you like this, please share it with your friends. Let's get the word out about deceptive, bad maintenance practices recommended by the manufacturer. With that in mind, I created this free guide. If you head over to my website, www.fixyourcar.net, click on that orange button to download the free guide. It will show you the recommended maintenance intervals for all your vehicle's components. So you won't be led astray and led to believe that you can go longer and trash your vehicle before it's ready to go to the junkyard. Okay, now back to the episode. And they even put an asterisk there, and if you read on the back, it basically says to follow the manufacturer's instructions. And even that's flawed, because manufacturer instructions will tell you to do 10,000 mile interval oil changes, and it's wrong. It will lead to premature wear of the cylinder walls, and you will shortly start burning oil after 100,000. Let's show you how to change the oil on this 2015 Chevy Traverse. The first thing you're going to do is pull up the vehicle on jack stands or ramps. You're going to open the hood, put up a drain bucket underneath it with some cardboard, open the oil cap, and then you're going to take off the oil filter. It's a little bit hard to access. It's on the front. Just reach your arm down in there. Might have to get a step ladder or something like that to reach down below with it on the ramps. Get your drain bucket ready and start capturing some oil. You get the old filter off, set it aside, and then you're going to get your new filter, and you're going to put a little bit of the old oil around the ring. I prefer using the old oil. It seals a little bit better, I think. Then you're going to reinstall the filter. Just hand tight. Don't have to go to any torque spec on these. And you're going to climb up underneath. Get your drain bucket ready with your 15mm socket, and take off the drain bolt. You want to keep in mind with these VVT engines, oil is key in these, and that's why we don't ever go past our drain intervals. It will wreck the VVT system. Those oil passages are very small, so any amount of sludge in there starts causing premature wear. And you're going to reinstall your drain bolt. I don't typically torque drain bolts. I just go where it feels nice and snug. Put your oil back in. It takes about 6.5 quarts. Reinstall your oil cap. Check your oil level. It will be a little bit high since there's probably not any in the filter right now. Then you're going to clean up your mess. So I typically use some cat litter or some kind of wood mulch. Reinstall your engine cover. Then we're going to go back inside and reset the oil life monitor light. Now on this vehicle, there's a little setting on the buttons on the side, so you're going to scroll through the settings where it says to reset the oil life monitor. Once you go through all the settings and find that, it's going to give you a check mark. So you're going to go back onto your panel over there and by your right arm and click the check mark, and then it's reset. And now you're good to go. Thanks for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe to my videos. If you don't like and subscribe to me, please like and subscribe to my Lord, my Savior, Jesus Christ. I might let you down, but He never will. Until next time, take care. Make it a great day.